Okay, now here we need to find number of side in this regular polygon, right? They tell no, this is a regular polygon, and here it's a simple one. Actually, they combine two lessons, regular polygon and also ratios. Now here they tell A is to B. That means this interior angle and exterior angle values, size, magnitude in this ratio. This size to this size 11 to 1. It's like that. Very simple idea. Okay, now we know these two add up to 180 no, because this is a straight line, right? We extended one side no, so this is add up to 180. A plus B should be 180. Same way, that means this total, right? When we learn from previous years, when you have total, how to distribute, with these ratios. So now here total is 180 degrees. We need to divide that 180 degrees in these ratios. So what to do? Very simple. Here total is 180 degree. That means this both together 180. Now if you need to divide this 180 with this ratio, you should add this two ratio first. 11 plus 1, 12. By 12 divide this one, right? And get 1 is how much? I mean, one part of this. Now here 1, here 11, total is 12. So 1 is how much? Like that. You can get like this. What the 180? This total 180 no. So divide by 12. What the answer? Here you can get 1 and 6 remain here. Okay, 5. Right? When you divide 180 by 12, it's 15. Okay, that means this 1 is 15. Here 15. Here we have exactly 1 no? So here 15, and this should be 15 into 11 here, right? It's like that, right? If I multiply 15 into 11, very simple, here will be 5 1, here 5 1, so 5 here, 6 125. We don't need that, but we can get like this way. This B is 15, A is 165, like that, right? Rough idea I need to show you here, right? Okay, now this B is 15 degree now. So very simple, you can find number of side. How we can find? Always remember this, in a regular polygon, it must be regular polygon first of all. If you have a regular polygon and external angle, the size of the external angle size, so you can find number of side. How? Very simple, 360 divide by the exterior angle size. Here you have divide by 15. So what the answer? Here when you divide by 15, it will be 24, right? 24. So number of side is 24. Try to understand here, it should be regular polygon, right? Then what the exterior angle size, by that if you divide by the 360, it will be number of side it has. Now because this exterior angle altogether 360, that's the reason for any polygon. Actually exterior angle altogether 360, add up to 360. But when you have regular polygon, you can do this way. But if you know one exterior angle size, you can divide 360 by exterior angle and you can get number of side.